Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today, I am Riza Fatmi, will teach you will plus simple and will plus continuous and will plus perfect. Today, in this video, I will explain about will plus simple. Sebelum kita membuat kalimat, kita perlu memahami kapan menggunakan will tambah verb 1 dan will be tambah verb ing, will have plus verb 3. Pengertian simple future tense. Simple future tense is a verb form used to express the action in the future with or without a plan. Simple future adalah suatu bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi di masa depan dengan atau tanpa rencana. Function of be going to, asking about future plans, expressing future intention plan, and function of will, making a promise, making a future prediction, reacting to a situation. Nah, dalam bahasa Indonesianya fungsi be going to yaitu menanyakan rencana masa depan dan mengungkapkan rencana di masa depan. Dan fungsi will yaitu membuat janji dan membuat prediksi dan merupakan reaksi terhadap sebuah situation. Nah, ini contohnya asking about future plans, yaitu what are you going to do next weekend? Nah, do you have any plans? Jadi yang tepatnya adalah di sini kita menggunakan be going to untuk menanyakan future plan, yaitu what are you going to do next weekend? Number 2, what do you think you are going to study? Nah, jadi di sini kita menggunakan be going to. What do you think you are going to study when you go to college in 5 years? Oke, inilah future intention or plan. Number 3, I've bought my ticket. I blah 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 fly to Chicago next week. The correct answer is I'm going to fly to Chicago next week. Karena di sini sudah ada persiapannya, yaitu saya telah membeli tiket. Number 4, I finally made up my mind. Saya akhirnya telah membuat keputusan. I'm going to become a lawyer when I grown up. Jadi di sini dia sudah membuat keputusan dan itu sudah diambil dalam waktu yang lama, tidak spontan. Maka kita menggunakan I'm going to become a lawyer when I grown up. Oke, sekarang fungsi dari will yaitu merupakan reaksi kepada sebuah situasi yang kita berikan secara spontan. Contoh, David mengatakan, I'm hungry. Ken menjawab, I will make you a sandwich. What do you want? Jadi di sini yang tepat kita menggunakan adalah will, bukan be going to, karena dia spontan. Contoh will dalam making a promise atau membuat janji. Number 1, he promises they will deliver the package by the end of the week. Number 2, I will finish the report by the end of next week. You can believe me. Dalam membuat janji, kita menggunakan will, bukan be going to. Next, making a future prediction atau membuat sebuah prediksi di masa depan. Contohnya, it's hard to predict the future. I think I will live here for a long time, but you never know. Jadi, untuk membuat prediksi di masa depan, kita juga menggunakan will. Simple future digunakan untuk memprediksi kejadian di masa depan. Contoh, it will rain tomorrow. Nah, kita juga menggunakan untuk menyatakan keputusan spontan. Contoh, I will pay for the ticket by credit card. I think I will change my appearance. You look so nervous. I will give you a glass of water. Bisa juga untuk menyatakan kerelaan, kita menggunakan will. Contoh, I'll do the washing up. He will carry your bag for you. Inilah form dari menggunakan will dan be going to. Form dari will, subject plus will plus verb 1 or infinitive. Form be going to, subject plus be going to plus verb 1. Example, I will close the window and they are going to organize a seminar. Negative form, subject plus will plus not plus verb 1, subject plus be plus not plus be going to plus verb 1. Example, I won't close the window. They are not going to organize a seminar. Interrogative form, will plus subject plus verb 1 and question mark. Be untuk be going to, be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 and question mark. Example, will I close the window? And are you going to organize a seminar? Nominal form, subject plus will or shall plus be plus noun, adjective, or adverb. For example, I will be there by bus. Nah, inilah contoh dialog yang menggunakan will. Hey Ben, what's your plan for the coming vacation? Well, I haven't decided it yet, but I think I'll go camping. Nah, di sini Ben memberikan respons spontan. Maka dia mengucapkan I'll go camping. Bukan I'm not going to go camping. That's awesome. And have you planned when you are going? Ben menjawab, I'm not sure. I will probably leave around the end of May. What do you recommend the best place for camping? I guess the Yellowstone National Park will be appropriate for you. That sounds like fun. Nah, di sini semua jawaban dibacakan dengan will karena spontan. Dan ini merupakan action in the future. Are you going to rent a camper? I'm not sure. Actually, I probably won't rent a camper. It's too expensive. Jadi dalam kalimat negatifnya, I probably won't rent a camper. Won't di sini adalah menggantikan kata will not. I probably will not rent a camper. Are you going with someone? No, I need some time alone. So, I will go there by myself. Nah, di sini Ben merespon jawab pertanyaan dari si perempuan, the woman, dengan menggunakan will, yaitu I will go there by myself, karena jawaban spontan. Nah, pertanyaan number 1, what are they discussing about? Number 2, what does Benjamin plan? Number 3, where does Prita suggest? Number 4, will Benjamin rent a camper? Why? Number 5, will Benjamin be accompanied by someone? Why? Okay, I will read the answer. Question number 1, what are they discussing about? The answer, they are discussing about plan for next holiday. Question 2, what does Benjamin plan? Answer, Benjamin plan to go camping. Question number 3, where does Prita suggest? Answer, Prita suggests to go camping to the Yellowstone National Park. Question number 4, will Benjamin rent a camper? Why? Answer, Benjamin won't rent a camper because it's too expensive. Question number 5, will Benjamin be accompanied by someone? Why? Answer, Benjamin won't be accompanied by someone because he wants to be alone. In this exercise, you have to use I think I will or I don't think I will. Read the situation and then write your sentence. Example, it is cold. You decide to close the window. I think I will close the window. It is raining. You decide not to go out. Nah, kamu sehingga menjawab I don't think I will go out. I'll feel tired. You decide to go to bed. Oke, silakan diisi apa jawabanmu. You arrange to play tennis. Now, you decide that you don't want to play tennis. Question number 1. You will feel tired. You decide to go to bed. The answer, I think I will go to bed. Question number 2. You arrange to play tennis. Now, you decide that you don't want to play tennis. The answer, I don't think I will play tennis. A friend of yours offers you a lift in his car, but you decide to walk. Nah, kamu menjawab dengan thank you, but silahkan dilanjutkan. Number 4, you were going to go swimming. Now, you decide that you don't want to go. Nah, apa responmu? Question number 3. A friend of yours offers you a lift in his car, but you decide to walk. The answer, thank you, but I think I will walk. Question number 4. You were going to go swimming. Now, you decide that you don't want to go. So, you say, I don't think I will go swimming. Yang berikut, lengkapi kalimat berikut dengan kata will atau will be. Number 1, I'm sure we blah 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 pass the exam. Number 2, I don't think the test blah 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 very difficult. Number 3, she blah 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 angry if I am late. Number 4, they blah 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 come here soon. 5, I wonder where we blah 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 30 years from now. Oke, kita mulai dari pertanyaan nomor 1. Question number 1, I'm sure we blah 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 pass the exam. Pass adalah verb, maka kita mengisinya dengan will. Sehingga jawabannya adalah I'm sure we will pass the exam. Question number 2, I don't think the test blah 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 very difficult. Setelah titik-titik tidak kita jumpai verb, maka isinya will be. The answer is I don't think the test will be very difficult. Question number 3, she blah 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 angry if I am late. Blah 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 angry, kita tidak menjumpai verb, maka jawabannya kita menggunakan will be. The answer is she will be angry if I am late. Number 4, they blah 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 come here soon. Blah 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 come. Come adalah verb, sehingga kita harus mengisikan dengan will. The answer is they will come here soon. I wonder where we blah 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 30 years from now. Blah 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 30 years from now, kita tidak menjumpai verb, maka kita mengisikan dengan will be. The answer is I wonder where we will be 30 years from now. Lengkapilah kalimat di bawah ini dengan kata is, am, are going to, atau is, am, are going to be. Number 1, he blah 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 washed the car. Number 2, look at the clouds. It blah 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 rain. Number 3, I blah 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 buy something for lunch. 4, she blah 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 nice to see you because of the gift. 5, we blah 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 the players. Okay, we will answer this question. We will use be going to or be going to be. Number 1, he blah 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 washed the car. The correct answer is he is going to wash the car. Was is verb, so we use be going to. Question number 2, look at the clouds. It blah 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 rain. Look at the clouds. It is going to rain. Rain is verb, so we use be going to. Question number 3, I blah 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 buy something for lunch. The answer, I am going to buy something for lunch. We use be going to because we find verb buy. Question number 4, she blah 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 nice to you because of the gift. The answer is she is going to be nice to you because of the gift. We use is going to be because we cannot find verb in the sentence. Question number 5, we blah 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 the players. The answer, we are going to be the players. We use be going to be because no verb in the sentence. Exercise Read the following situation, then give your best answer using will simple form. Number 1, Rahmat. Blah blah blah, all of his friends to the celebration next week. Nah, di sini kita membuat making a future prediction. So, the correct answer is A. What are you going to do tomorrow? The response of Y is, I'm going to meet Sue for lunch to discuss the contract. So the correct answer is A. Be going to. How long will you be away? The correct answer is E. I won't get back until Friday night or Saturday afternoon at least. Wife, will you buy something for our son as a present? Husband, of course. I will look for something in London before I come home. Wife, that's great. He, blah blah blah, very happy. Di sini kita membuat prediction, maka kita mengucapkan he will be very happy. The correct answer is A. When will you go to New York? Kita membuat prediction sehingga kita menjawab dengan I will go in August. So the correct answer is A. Next question. Well, where will you spend your holiday? I will visit some interesting place in New York. How long? Blah blah blah. You blah 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 in New York. I will be in New York just for 2 weeks. To make prediction, we use will. So the correct answer is A. What will you do in Australia? We will make a prediction. We should use will. So we choose B. I will learn about political communication. This dialogue is reacting to a situation. We are going camping near Mount Rainier this weekend. Would you like to come along with us? Okay, I like camping. The correct answer is we should use will. So, the best answer is A. We will pick you up at 5 a.m. Saturday morning. Now we make a future prediction. Steve, you know Peter's birthday party is at 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon. Steve, actually, I have a lot of meeting on my schedule, but I'll try to get back Saturday morning. Laura, blah blah blah. Nah, kita mencari jawaban yang pakai will. The best answer is A. That will make Peter very happy. Dalam dialog ini kita memberikan reaksi to a situation. Kita menggunakan will. Where will you spend your school holiday? Well, I will just stay at home. How about you? Oke, jawaban yang benar adalah B. I will spend my holiday in Palembang. Oke, thank you for watching and see you. Bye-bye.